Hi, this is Jim Reavis. I'm Executive Director of the Cloud Security Alliance, and I'm here at the corporate headquarters of netForensics, one of my favorite corporate members of CSA. I'm here to talk to you just a little bit about what CSA is. We are a new organization. We're an organization that's built on a social network model that is providing a lot of research, education, and best practices about securing cloud computing, which is the next generation of computing. We're really talking about computing becoming a utility like telephone or electricity, or if it's not working very good, maybe the sewer system. But what we're trying to do is we're actually trying to provide best practices that can allow organizations to securely adopt cloud computing on a global basis. And there's technology issues, there's best practices around security information management, identity management. There's a lot of policy issues we need to understand between different countries, different jurisdictions. So what we're doing is we're providing a lot of those best practices in a very agile way. We're trying to incubate things very quickly. We're doing this on a global basis. We have chapters all over the world. We're incubating this research in a lot of different languages. We have a user certification called the Certificate of Cloud Security Knowledge. And really what we are trying to do is to create a dialogue for a broad set of stakeholders, if it's governments, if it's chief information security officers, if it's architects, if it's IT auditors, the legal profession, to be able to show a leadership role. We really appreciate netForensics helping us and sponsoring a lot of our initiatives and our conferences and white papers. And we're going to continue to push this forward, and I think you're going to continue to see more great research from us. It's going to happen in a lot of different areas. And let me give you just a couple different examples of some of the things we're working on. The GRC stack, which stands for Governance, Risk, and Compliance, it's a key part of adopting cloud, as people are worried about, will I be compliant, and can I show that I'm managing my risks properly? We have a few different projects in there. One is called our Cloud Controls Matrix. And this is a new security controls framework that's specific to cloud computing, where we look at what are the differences between controls that a provider is responsible for, what is an enterprise customer responsible for, and how do those break down if you are doing software as a service, if you're doing infrastructure as a service. So it's something that is trying to take a lot of the knowledge you might already have by trying to be compliant with PCI, or trying to be ISO 27001 certified, or dealing with SAS 70s or COBIT. We're trying to provide some real cloud relevance there. We also have a consensus assessments questionnaire, which if you're an enterprise customer of a cloud provider, you can actually use this questionnaire as part of your contracts, as part of your assessment process, to make sure that it's matching all of your risk requirements for your organization. And we have a few more forward-looking technology specifications within that we're looking to actually automate and create continuous controls monitoring. These, again, I think, are things you're going to see become very important and relevant in the log management and security information management market. And so, again, I think you'll see as that evolves, as the technology and solutions evolve in that area, that they will be incorporating a lot of this type of research. So that's a brief introduction to CSA and a few of the things we're working on. And I look forward to talking to you more in the netForensics videos about some of these projects. Thank you.